Now I'm going to make some buttonholes on my sewing machine. First I got out my book, found the buttonhole page, and I'm going to follow the directions in it. It tells me that I can use either one of these feet to do this, so I'm going to change that first. And then it says to make a test buttonhole first. It tells me to set it on mode 1 and setting pattern 37. So I'm going to put my sample piece underneath, and it tells me to put my needle in. I'm going to line up my red line right on my top line. I'm going to line up my horizontal line with the lines there. And it tells me to lower the needle at the top line, put down my presser foot, and then I'm going to sew to my bottom line. So this is computerized, but I still have to do some work. And it's going to sew down the right hand side of my buttonhole. So I have to be ready to stop it at the bottom line. And it's lined up there. Then it tells me to touch my memory button, and the machine will automatically bar tack and sew up the left side. So this is a little bit more automatic than many machines. Lots of times you have to turn a dial. And then I have to be ready to stop where I started and press my memory button again, and it will automatically bar tack on top, and then it will take a few stitches. So it has made my first buttonhole. I'm just going to clip my threads, and I take a look at it, and it's on my 2 lines and extends 1/8 of an inch over the center front line. And just to test this, we'll try to do a second one that's already pre-programmed. So we'll start right here, line it up, and I just get started. And it's already pre-programmed. Many machines are even more automated than this. You can just drop in your button and it will automatically know where to start and stop. So you want to practice a few buttonholes just to make sure that they're the right size that you need and the procedure's going smoothly. And it made me another buttonhole exactly the same. I will open that and test it to see if my button fits through it. And then I will make 3 buttons and 3 buttonholes on my vest.